The eye, the eye, the eye. Today we're going to be talking about the inner layer of the eye, known as the retina. The retina has two major components, known as the rods and the cones. Your rods, for example, are sensitive to light and dark changes, shape and movement, and contain only one type of pigment. Your cones, on the other hand, the orange, are more sensitive to colors, such as your reds, your blues, and your greens. Now, without light, your rods are on, meaning sodium ion channels are open, sodium ions are being produced. This, therefore, produces an action potential, which activates a number of various cells. To give you a better visual, I have a bigger diagram of the rod here. Your rod is surrounded by a number of discs. Each disc contains various proteins. A protein we're going to look at is the rhodopsin. Your rhodopsin contains 11 cis-retinal, represented here by these three spheres. When light hits the rhodopsin, the opsin molecule is activated, causing the rhodopsin to change shape. When that occurs, your 11 cis-retinal also changes shape from a more spheric line to a more straight line. When this process occurs, the molecule transducin is produced. Transducin is a G-protein membrane-bound enzyme complex. What happens is it breaks away and attaches to another protein called PDE, phosphodiesterase. Before PDE is activated, however, your sodium channels are open due to CGMP, derived from the protein GTP. CGMP regulates the sodium-calcium-potassium ion exchange pump. So when PDE is activated, the CGMP protein that held the sodium channel open, allowing the passage of sodium ions, is converted to GMP. As the PDE breaks down, it closes the sodium ion channel, decreasing the sodium concentration in the membrane. When sodium enters the cell is forced to hyperpolarize and shut off. With inactive sodium ions, the neurotransmitter's ability to release is decreased, therefore shutting the rod cells off. But wait, the neighboring bipolar cell receives the signal that the rod was shut off, and a photon was absorbed. This bipolar cell then activates a retinal ganglion cell, sending an axon to the optic nerve, and therefore giving you light through your eye.